Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make smooth cookies. First, let's talk about ingredients. Always use softened butter, not melted, for a consistent dough. Sifting your dry ingredients, like flour and baking soda, prevents lumps and ensures everything is evenly distributed. For an extra tender and smooth crumb, consider adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to your dry mix. These initial steps are crucial for a perfect foundation. Next, proper mixing is key. Cream your softened butter and sugar together for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. This incorporates air, which is vital. Then, add your eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition to ensure they are fully emulsified. Finally, gradually incorporate your dry ingredients, mixing only until just combined. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough, not smooth cookies. Now, let's prepare the dough for baking. Chilling your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes is essential. This firms up the butter, preventing excessive spreading and promoting a smoother texture. For uniform cookies, roll your dough evenly between 2 sheets of parchment paper to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Using a cookie scoop ensures consistent cookie size, which leads to more even baking and a perfectly smooth finish. Finally, baking and cooling. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your cookies for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden and set, but the center still looks slightly soft. Do not overbake. Overbaking leads to dry, crumbly cookies. Once out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures a perfectly smooth and delicious cookie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.